15 Steps on How Limos Are Made. Welcome to BizKnob, where we delve into the inner workings of businesses to uncover the secrets behind their operations. Today, we're stepping into the world of luxury transportation as we explore how limousines are made. From the meticulous craftsmanship to the cutting-edge technology involved, we'll take you behind the scenes of the process that transforms ordinary vehicles into the epitome of elegance and sophistication. Let's dive into the world of luxury vehicles on BizKnob. 1. Initial preparation. Before any actual work can begin, the initial preparation phase involves a thorough assessment and selection of a suitable base vehicle. This involves examining various factors such as the vehicle's make, model, condition, and compatibility with the client's specifications. Skilled technicians meticulously inspect the car for any pre-existing damage or imperfections, ensuring that only the highest quality vehicles are chosen for customization. Additionally, this phase may involve securing necessary permits and approvals for the modification process. 2. Design and planning. Design and planning are pivotal stages in the creation of a custom limousine. During this phase, designers collaborate closely with clients to understand their vision, preferences, and requirements. Detailed schematics, sketches, and 3D models are created to visualize and refine the proposed modifications. Advanced computer-aided design (CAD) software is utilized to translate conceptual ideas into precise technical plans. This stage also involves comprehensive consultations with engineers, fabricators, and other specialists to ensure feasibility and compliance with safety regulations. 3. Stripping the interior. Stripping the interior of the base vehicle involves the meticulous removal of all existing components to prepare for customization. Skilled technicians systematically dismantle the seats, carpeting, headliners, door panels, and other interior elements, leaving behind a bare chassis. Extreme care is taken to avoid damaging any structural or electrical components of the vehicle during this process. Additionally, all removed parts are cataloged and stored for potential reuse or disposal, depending on their condition and suitability for the project. 4. Structural reinforcement. Structural reinforcement is essential to enhance the safety and stability of the custom limousine. During this phase, strengthening braces and supports are strategically installed to reinforce the chassis and prevent flexing or sagging. These reinforcements are designed to distribute stress evenly throughout the vehicle, particularly in areas prone to increased load due to the elongation process. Skilled welders utilize advanced welding techniques to securely attach the braces to the chassis, ensuring optimal structural integrity. 5. Cutting the vehicle. Cutting the vehicle is a precise and carefully orchestrated process that involves dividing the base vehicle into two halves. Skilled technicians utilize specialized cutting tools, such as plasma cutters or reciprocating saws, to make clean and accurate cuts along predetermined lines. Attention to detail is paramount to ensure symmetry and alignment between the two halves of the vehicle. Advanced measuring techniques and laser-guided cutting equipment may be employed to achieve optimal precision and consistency. 6. Extension of chassis rails. Extending the chassis rails is a critical step in elongating the vehicle to accommodate the desired length of the limousine. Skilled welders carefully insert and weld steel frame rails into the front and rear sections of the vehicle, effectively lengthening its overall frame. Precise measurements and alignment are essential to ensure that the extended chassis rails are perfectly parallel and symmetrical, laying the groundwork for the subsequent construction phases. 7. Construction of new frame section. The construction of a new frame section involves fabricating a custom framework to bridge the gap between the two halves of the vehicle. Skilled fabricators meticulously design and construct a sturdy frame using high-quality materials such as steel or aluminum. This frame serves as the backbone of the limousine, providing structural support and stability. Advanced welding techniques are employed to join the frame components securely, ensuring a seamless integration with the existing chassis. 8. Roof and floor installation. Roof and floor installation are critical aspects of building a custom limousine, as these components provide structural support and enclosure for the vehicle's interior. Skilled technicians carefully install prefabricated roof and floor panels, ensuring a tight seal and optimal fit. Attention to detail is crucial to prevent leaks, drafts, or structural weaknesses. Advanced sealing techniques and adhesives may be employed to enhance the durability and weather resistance of the roof and floor assemblies. 9. Exterior paneling. Exterior paneling involves custom fabricating and installing new panels to cover the limousine's elongated frame. Skilled craftsmen meticulously shape and fit the exterior panels to achieve a seamless and cohesive appearance. Attention to detail is paramount to ensure that the panels align perfectly and complement the vehicle's design aesthetics. Advanced cutting, shaping, and welding techniques are employed to create smooth transitions between the original body panels and the newly installed ones. 10. Painting and finishing. Painting and finishing are critical steps in enhancing the aesthetic appeal and durability of the custom limousine. Skilled painters meticulously apply multiple layers of automotive-grade paint to achieve the desired color and finish. Advanced painting techniques, such as color matching and blending, ensure uniformity and consistency across the entire vehicle. Protective clear coatings enhance the paint's longevity and resistance to environmental elements. Finally, polishing and buffing techniques achieve a flawless, showroom-quality finish. 11. Interior customization. Interior customization is where the limousine's true luxury and comfort come to life. Skilled craftsmen meticulously design and install bespoke interior features tailored to the client's preferences and specifications. These may include premium leather upholstery, plush carpeting, custom lighting, state-of-the-art entertainment systems, and luxurious amenities such as minibars, refrigerators, and multimedia consoles. Attention to detail is paramount, with every aspect of the interior meticulously crafted to create a sophisticated and inviting atmosphere. 12. Electrical system integration. Integrating the electrical system is a complex and crucial aspect of limousine customization. Skilled technicians carefully install and integrate a wide range of electronic components, including lighting systems, audio-visual equipment, climate control systems, and communication devices. Advanced wiring and routing techniques are employed to ensure optimal performance, reliability, and safety. Comprehensive testing and quality assurance protocols are implemented to verify the functionality and compatibility of the entire electrical system. 13. Final assembly and fitting. Final assembly and fitting mark the culmination of the customization process, where all components and systems are meticulously integrated and aligned to perfection. Skilled technicians carefully fit and install interior trim pieces, hardware, and accessories, ensuring a seamless and cohesive interior environment. Attention to detail is paramount, with every component inspected and adjusted to meet the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship. Advanced alignment and calibration techniques may be employed to ensure precise fitment and operation of all components. 14. Quality control and testing. Quality control and testing are essential steps to ensure that the finished limousine meets or exceeds industry standards for safety, performance, and reliability. Skilled inspectors conduct comprehensive inspections and tests on every aspect of the vehicle, including structural integrity, electrical systems, mechanical components, and interior amenities. Advanced diagnostic equipment and testing procedures are employed to identify any issues or deficiencies, which are promptly addressed and rectified. Only after passing rigorous quality control checks is the limousine deemed ready for delivery to the client. 15. Delivery and customer satisfaction. The delivery marks the culmination of the limousine customization process, where the finished vehicle is presented to the client for their inspection and approval. Skilled representatives from the customization facility guide the client through a detailed walkthrough of the car, highlighting its features, amenities, and customization options. Any final adjustments or modifications requested by the client are promptly addressed to ensure complete satisfaction. Comprehensive warranties and after-sales support services may be provided to ensure ongoing customer satisfaction and peace of mind. These steps represent the culmination of a meticulous and highly specialized process, resulting in the creation of a custom limousine that exemplifies luxury, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. From initial design and planning to final delivery and customer satisfaction, each step is executed with precision and care to exceed the expectations of even the most discerning clients. Thanks for joining us on BizNob as we explored the intricate process of making limousines. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of luxury transportation. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the inner workings of businesses. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring with us on BizNob.